In this tutorial, I'm going to talk about social proof, how to get more reviews for your store. To do that, we have a couple of very cool and nice integrations, starting with GrowWave and Loox. With the GrowWave, we have integration where you can send the web push notification after a certain time to recover like a review. With the Loox, we have integration where you can send SMS message after 10 days or 14 days. So in order to set them up, you need to go to automations, choose SMS channel. And at the bottom, you will find Loox integration with reviews. For reviews, all right, and then basically you just simply have to go inside, make sure that you have installed your Loox app, simply set everything up, set delay when you want to send a Loox recovery SMS message. It really depends how fast your parcels travels to your customers. It can be 6 days, it can be 1 day, it can be like 14 days. It really depends from your store and your strategy. So simply set delay and then click activate. So what will happen, system will send SMS message, let's say in this case after 14 days, and everybody who clicks, they will be redirected to Loox review form where they will have possibility actually to upload picture with your product and leave a short review for you. It's a cool and very nice tool to recover and get more reviews for your store. I hope it helps. And if you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to ask us. Cheers.